Okay, here we go. We're going to use the product rule. We're going to put it into play here. So remember, it's the first one times the derivative of the second one plus the second one times the derivative of the first one. And so I like to just write that out. And then my next step that I would do is I would just say that f prime of x, it's f prime of x is equal to, well, the derivative of 2x plus 5, that's going to be just 2. And g prime of x is the derivative of 3x minus 6, which is just 3. So now it's basically just a game where we plug in the pieces. So 2x plus 5 is my f of x, 3x minus 6 is my g of x, and here we go. So 2x plus 5 times my g prime of x, which is 3, plus my 3x minus 6 times my f prime of x, which is 2. I then have to distribute these through. So I get 6x plus 15 plus 6x minus 12. So I end up with 12x plus 3. And that is my derivative of f of g. So this is d, my derivative with respect to x of f times g.